So good morning. We'll be starting today with the string operations. So in this class, we'll be discussing more on the certain operations that can be performed over the string operations. Basically, when we have a string, we perform some operations. Those maybe when you have a particular string, let's assume if I consider one string. Okay, let me define one string here of str of say 100 size, and here I'm giving one string as an elephant was roaming. Let's assume this is a one string that I'm having. What are operations that I can perform on these things? Okay, basically we perform uh, many operations, but as far the syllabus is concerned, we'll be performing four basic operations on this. Those are the first one is string length, string length. So basically to calculate what is the length of the string, maximum length that we have this, we have mentioned it is 100. But out of that, really do you think that it is of 100 length? No, it is maximum length, right? So what is the length of this string? So to calculate that, 1, 2, and we have the previous class we have discussed this. This is also considered as one. It is also considered as one character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So here for this it is a 23. So you need to count it, right? So one operation is string length. Let's assume you have to copy this string in another. So the next operation is string copy, where you will be copying that into another, say if it is str1, str2 of 100. If I have another string named as str2, if I want to copy the same string to another, so that another operation that we have to perform is string copy. There will be another operation is string comparison. Okay, in short, I have written string comparison. So if we have another string, let's say str2, and I am putting over here something elephant is kind of thing. Okay, one is in past, one is in past tense, one is in present tense. So whether both are the same? No, they are not same. So we are doing the comparison of the string. Okay, and another is a string concatenation. So what happens here? We will be concatenating the string 1 and string 2. So those are the string which you have to concatenate that you have to mention, and to which you have to concatenate that is also needs to be mentioned. Okay. So if I am concatenating string 2 to string 1, so the output will be an elephant was roaming, elephant is roaming. The content just we are attaching the string to the string 1. If I said concatenate the string 1 to the string 2, so elephant is roaming, elephant was roaming. So we are attaching the string 1 to the string 2. So it defines how you are doing the concatenation. So basically these four functions we will be seeing in the operations. Okay, so we'll go ahead and see basically how it has to deal, how to write one C program, and if there is some kind of inbuilt function for this, how can we do that? Okay, so let's go ahead with the first operation, that is calculated in the length of a particular string. So first operation that we see is string length. So basically, what we'll do, we'll first read one string. Okay, we'll read one string And let's say we have read, we know how to read the string, right? So by that time we are quite aware. And let's assume I'll start writing the program first. Okay. So we will be requiring one string, so character. I'll call it as strlen of 100. Okay, I'll define it like this. As we know, the length will be always in integer 1, 2, 3, 4, something, something numbers. So we require one integer variable. So int, I call it the length. I will be requiring one index value also. I will be initializing 0. Here also I will initializing 0. Now, I'll read out the string first. So here I'll write down first printf statement. String bar enter a string. Okay. So to read the string, we will be using getAs function. For the getAs function, we have discussed in the previous video the difference between the scanf and getAs, and more briefly we have discussed a lot many things in that case. So getAs function. Okay. So here I'm present str1. So once we have the getAs function, and this is how we have successfully filled the string. Now what we will be doing is, let's say I explain the whole things over here. Okay. So there will be a memory space of 100 character. Let's assume. So 0 to 99. Okay. Kind of that. Okay. Now in this case, this is what the memory is being created. It's this 2000, and this is going to be SDR. Now what is going to happen here? We are considering alien also. Alien which is initialized 0 and I which is also initialized 0. Fine, no issue. Now it is saying enter string. So here the string is getting read. So I'll be putting out one string with JCE. Okay, space CLG and backslash. Okay, we know the backslash of 0 will be inserted implicitly by the compiler itself. Now, main logic it starts over here. When we are getting to know that this is the end of the string, then when a backslash of 0 will be encountered, right? When you are processing it and when you find out it is a backslash of 0, it means it is the end of the string. So we need to stop and we need to find out, okay, how many characters we have read before that. That is the length, right? So we can easily see, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it is on the 7th side. So the length is 7 because we are starting with 0, right? Nice. So we will be comparing whether the first character is backslash of 0 so that we can get to know whether it is end. So now I get increment, take with the next, check, 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 and at the last you will be reading with it. The same way we will be following here. While जब तक while str of 1 of I not equals to backslash of 0. We know this str of 1, all are the content inside the string which I mentioned are the character, right? They are the character. So we need to compare with the character only. There should be comparison between of the same type of elements. You cannot compare integer with the float or integer with the character, and vice versa. Okay, there should be comparison between integer and integer only. Okay, so we are comparing this. So make a reason. You won't make this as a character, and this will be something different, and you will be getting an error. Okay, so you have to make sure they are a character, and to make anything into character, we know it should be enclosed inside the single. Okay. So we are saying if we have already mentioned I have posted level. So we'll go, and if it is not equal to backslash of 0, simply we will bring alien plus plus and I plus plus. Simply you go ahead like this. Let's see. We'll follow the same thing. Okay, we are comparing with the I value equals to 0. Whether str1 of that is change, not whether it is equals to backslash of 0, no. So len plus plus it becomes 1. This is also become 1. Next, see whether it equals to backslash of 0, no. So increment model is also 2. Check with the 3, no, no. Check with the next character, this is a backslash of 0. Okay, no, it is not, it is a space. So 4, check with the fourth one. C, no, check with the fifth one. Okay, L, this is not a backslash of 0. Okay, check with the 6 is 5, check with the 7. Okay, now at the time here we will be counting node value of I, by this time is 7. So str1 of 7 is it equals to backslash of 0? Yes. So condition gets false, and here I can say I have processed all the characters before the backslash of 0. And as backslash of 0 is fetching up, it means this is the end of the string. Yes. So by that time we have read and we have checked up, we have considered all the length. So here I will say printf stating that length of string, length of percentage s is percentage d. So percentage s is str1 comma this is len. So this is all the main logic that you are going to apply. Okay, so your program actually main logic gets starts from here. We have this very simple program which is going to give the length of a string. So you have to focus mostly on where the backslash of 0 is. Play with this. Basically, when you are applying this, this was a one basic program which sometimes asked in the examination, stating that write a program without using a function to get the length of the string. So this is how you can give, and this generally this type of question will be asked for 5 to 7 marks. Okay, but we have an inbuilt function also. We need not to do all those stuffs. We have an inbuilt function which calculates the length of the string, where only you should know the name of the string. जिसका आपको length निकालना है. Okay, so the function goes ahead. The function is it is an inbuilt function. Inbuilt function with str shortcut for string and len shortcut for length. String length strlen, where you will be passing name of the string str1. I must say str. So this is a function which is going to give me the string length. As we know, it is going to provide a length which is an integer. So we require a variable. Let's assume len equals to strlen of str1. Okay. Even if I have done this much, instead of doing this part, okay, if I could have done like this, len equals to strlen of str1, I could have got the same result. Okay, can you imagine the length of the program is reduced to like anything, right? So this is what first operation, where we have seen iterative functions or iterative program without using inbuilt function, and with using the inbuilt function. Okay, so this is the first program with the first operation, I must say string length. Any doubt with this? In the same way, we will be checking out with the next function. Next function goes ahead with it's a string copy. It's a string copy. Okay. Well, we will be copying one string to the another. So basically, we require two strings in this case. Okay. So we require basically two strings. So let's assume I start with the main. Okay, and here we are going to write So character str1 of 100, and I required, as I mentioned, two string. Okay. We required one integer index value also. So integer I, you can initialize that equals to 0. Excuse me. Okay. Fine. So we will make the changes over here and we'll see how this is gonna happen. Okay. So we will read one string because we have to copy one string. So printf, or here I must say enter string one. Okay. We know we are going to use the latest function. Okay. So here I have to just mention the str one. So here is the memory, how it is going to happen. Let's see here. Okay, as we have defined. So 0, 99, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. Okay. So let's assume this is for str1, and in the same fashion, what I'll do, I'll make it for the str2 also. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is str2. Okay, so here we have read the some string. Let's assume it is JCE space CLG. Okay, so I wanted to copy this string into the string 2, string 1 into the string 2. कैसे करेंगे? सर सिंपल है लॉजिक. We'll be copying one by one to the string 2. So str2 of I equals to str1 of I, right? Okay. First character, first copy. Second character, second. Third character. So like that. कब तक? So जब तक backslash of 0 नहीं मिलता. Why? Because that is the end of the string. Yes or no? So again we will be following the same approach. While str1 of I not equals to backslash of 0. जब तक नहीं है तब तक. What we will be doing? We will be doing str2 because it code है. We have to store in str2 of I equals to str1 of I. Very nice. Okay, and we will be simply stating I plus plus. Check it out. I equals to 0, right? I'll put about I value also, which is 0. Okay. Is it equals to backslash of 0? No. No, then what we are going to do? It is saying str2 of I. So str2 of what is the value of I? 0. Equals to what is the value of I? 0. So J should be copied over here. I get incremented, again going and checking back. Whether it is str1 of 1 equals to backslash of 0? No. Copy 1. C. Whether it equals to 0? No. Copy 1. Whether it is equals to backslash of 0? No. Copy 1. That is space. Copy 1. C, L, G. Whether it is equals to backslash of 0. When I becomes 7, whether it is equals to backslash of 0. Yes, it is. It will come out. Can you able to see? We have successfully copied the string. But if I wanted to print out by using putters function string 2, along with JCCLG, these are the space from 7 to 99, it is going to print the garbage value. Is it what the actual str1 is having? No. What is missing then? We have not copied the backslash of 0. So actually this backslash of 0 inserting into the string is the job of compiler, which it does implicitly. But this is what we have copied character by character, but unfortunately we have not copied here because our program was, as soon as you find out backslash of 0, it is coming out. But we need to copy it. So after this, what we will be doing? We will be explicitly will be adding, because by this time I value equals to 0, sorry 7, equals to put a backslash of 0 character. So now we are putting a backslash of 0. Clear with this? And now here you can say put as str2. So if you do this thing str2, you will be successfully able to see that we have done the string copy operation. Okay. Now, as I have seen, as we have discussed, for the string length there was one function. In the same way, string copying, the main logic starts from here to here. Okay, this line will also come. Okay, this is what the main logic. In the same fashion, we have one function, inbuilt function. Okay, stating that inbuilt function, it is stating that strcpy, where it is a source and this is a destination. Okay, so if I write down strcpy, okay, so it will be copied. So here guest comma source will come. So as str2 comma str1. So instead of all those, what is happened? Whatever things are there in str1, it will be copied into str2. So instead of this whole logic, you can write it like this. Instead of all those things, we can write it down strcpy string copy str2 comma str1, and you just try to write down put as str2, you will be finding that it is getting copied. This is what it's more. Say we are checking out the inbuilt function also. We are writing the program without inbuilt function also, because whenever any kind of question comes, you are supposed to able to write the answers. Okay. So I'm winding up the session over here. I hope you understood all the basics two operations that we have discussed. One is the string length, another is the string copy. Okay. So in that time, uh, we'll be checking out other operation just like your string concatenate and string comparison in the further class. Okay class, so meantime have a good day, take care, bye bye.